Y'all get into this, get into this, get into this. What's up, everybody? It's Radiant and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been around for a little bit, hello again. This week we're going to be trying a new style. Not new to me, I just haven't done it in a very long time. So what we're doing today, which I should lead with, are some mini twists. Okay, I know that's the fad, and I know it's getting warmer, it's spring, and the girlies are going to be having twist braids and everything in between. And I'm putting them in because I be working out and I need something that's gonna last and something that's easy for me to rinse out, to wash out, and keep moisturized over the days, the weeks, and all that good stuff. So I've already technically blown out my hair, but let's just get it started. First and foremost, I am not gonna be parting my hair on this camera. It's just too much. I don't have that three-way mirror thing. So if my parts are gonna be right, I gotta do it off camera. So just putting that out there right now, but enjoy the rest of the video. So before I get into parting my hair, I just wanted to show you all my twists as they were unraveled. So I was lazy and I actually washed my hair late last night, and I did not feel like blow drying, revering, any of that. So I literally put my hair in some individual braids. I think I had about like 6 or so, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for about 20-30 minutes, and then I went to sleep, woke up, brushed it out, and then put it in these twists because I had somewhere to go this morning, and now we're here. So if you are a lazy girl like me sometimes, that is a great way to stretch your hair. It's a great way to stretch your hair, and it's a way to stretch your hair without just braiding it up and leaving it wet, or twisting it up and leaving it wet. I am a no sleeping with wet hair type of girl. I can't do it. No, thank you. That is not my ministry, so I don't do it. I always make sure that it's dry, or at least 90% dry. You know, sometimes the roots, they be rooting, but 9 times out of 10, my hair is completely dry when I go to sleep. This is what I got so far. These are actually probably going to be bigger twists. Like, they're not gonna be super mini. They're probably gonna be more medium. We'll see. We shall see. But I'm going to put this on the edges. And then I'm going to be using the Nairobi foam mousse lotion. We got something going. Still a little early. I'm honestly not trying to put too much gel. So this will be a video where I do a couple of speed ups, just because for many twists they just get redundant. But I did wash my hair with the Sacred Line with the shampoo, and I did a deep condition, and then I used a leave-in after that. And yeah, just keep watching, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, or subscribe to the channel. So that's one twist. Let's do the rest for this first row. I just broke my mirror. Literally. Just broke my mirror, but I cleaned it up. It'll be okay. So I just fumbled. I had the mirror in like the crease of my neck because my hands are full, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I just moved my neck and of course the mirror fell. But it's okay. I ended up figuring it out, and it wasn't like completely shattered. You'll see later on in the video that there was still a good portion of the mirror left, so I was able to finesse it for sure. But this first part, I did notice that my parts were just a little bit bigger, which I'm actually not mad at, but I'm just going to be mindful of that moving forward. I did braid at the roots, and then I'm just putting some Shine and Jam on my roots. I don't know if I'll do that again. My hair, my scalp is a little too sensitive for that. I'll say I don't like a whole bunch of product on my scalp if I don't have to. But this first part, just parting and all that, did take me a little bit longer than I would like, but we made it work. And I am using that Nairobi. I am just using one pump, and then if I need more at the bottom, I will add it to the bottom. But it's just a basic twist. You're literally putting one piece of hair over another, and you keep it moving. So y'all see this one got juicier. This one back here doing who knows what, but hopefully they all end up something like this. Awkward. Okay, let me do the back, and then we'll get it together when we come to the front. Okay. So it's been about an hour. This is how far I've gotten. It's about 3 rows. It's coming along pretty nicely. My parts are like straight, but they're not bone straight, and that's okay. That is okay, especially with me using a broken mirror and parting on my own. Parting the back is just hard. So I'm gonna keep on going. I may take a break, I'm hungry, but I'm gonna keep going, and then I'll be back once I get to the top. Okay, y'all, I finished the bottom half of my hair, and I'm really excited because it's coming out really good. So I'm gonna turn around. It's giving what I wanted to give. Once again, my parts are not super straight. I know. Thanks. Anywho, but I'm going to part my hair, and I'm going to get this front part done. So that back part took me about 2 hours, I want to say, maybe a little less. But I've been taking my time to get my parts as straight as possible. But I'm assuming the top will probably take me the same amount of time. But I'll be back when I finish parting. So unlike the back, I did pre-part the front of my hair, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend. It just makes the twisting process go faster. It may take you a little time to, of course, make sure your parts are as straight as you can get them, but pre-parting, if you can, way to go, most definitely. You're going to see me looking up and down. I was watching Great Taste on YouTube. That's like my comfort show when I'm doing something for a long period of time, but it got me through the time. Matter of fact, in the comments below, let me know what your comfort show is. So a comfort show would be one of those shows where you could just like turn it on and do whatever you have to do. But enjoy the rest of this video, and then I'll come back at the end with my results. It turned out so much better than what I was expecting. I'm gonna keep this in for at least 2 weeks. I'm probably gonna wash it once a week because I don't do not washing my hair for a long time. We'll see, maybe it'll be like a week and a half when I wash it, but I do plan on washing this, and then I could do a video on how I do that and maintain it. But like I said, I've been working out. I got things to do this summer, so I'm trying to make sure we bright. But this is going to save me so much from my hair like poofing up too much and having to figure out what styles I'm doing. So I'm glad I did this, and I'm glad it turned out so good. I'll do one more 360. Like, there's so many styles I could do with this. And if I wanted to, I could probably stretch it a little bit more. The crazy thing is, if I would have done this on wet hair, my twist would have been like up here. So I'm glad that I stretched it before I did, because I do want a little bit of length. And maybe if I do this again when I go on vacation, I may add some hair in just to get a longer look, but I'm loving this and I hope you did too. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't yet, please press that subscribe button, like this video, maybe comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Be blessed, stay blessed. Bye.